The best electric fireplaces and inserts for heat in 2024. Introduction. Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best electric fireplaces and inserts for heat in 2024. In this video, we'll explore the rise of electric fireplaces, their convenience, efficiency, and the key factors to consider when choosing the perfect model for your home. We'll also showcase some of the top electric fireplace brands and models on the market, ensuring that you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Please take a moment now to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The rise of electric fireplaces. Convenience and efficiency. Electric fireplaces have gained widespread popularity due to their convenience and efficiency. Unlike traditional wood-burning or gas fireplaces, electric models require no venting, chimney, or fuel source, making them easy to install in any room. One of the key advantages of electric fireplaces is their energy efficiency. By providing targeted, zone heating for specific rooms or living areas, electric fireplaces can help reduce energy consumption and lower your overall heating costs. Understanding heating capacity and coverage area. When choosing an electric fireplace for heat, it's crucial to understand its heating capacity in the coverage area it can effectively warm. This is typically measured in British thermal units, BTUs, which indicate the amount of heat that the fireplace can generate per hour. As a general guideline, you may want to choose an electric fireplace with a BTU output of around 5,000 for every 400 square feet of space you want to heat. However, factors such as insulation, ceiling height, and climate can also impact heating performance. Flame effects and realism. Creating the perfect ambience. Modern electric fireplaces use advanced LED and holographic technology to create stunningly realistic flame effects that closely mimic the appearance of a traditional fireplace. Look for models with customizable flame colors, brightness settings, and features like hand-painted, ceramic log sets, and ember beds. Some high-end electric fireplaces, such as those from MagikFlame, take realism to the next level with patented HoloFlame technology. This innovative system projects real video footage of actual fires onto a physical log set, creating an unparalleled level of realism that is virtually indistinguishable from the real thing. Ease of use and smart features. Convenience at your fingertips. Convenience is a major selling point for electric fireplaces, and manufacturers have incorporated a range of user-friendly features to make operating these units as simple and intuitive as possible. Many electric fireplaces come equipped with remote controls, touchscreen controls, and even smartphone app integration, allowing you to adjust the settings and features from the comfort of your couch or on the go. Look for models with programmable thermostats, timers, and smart home compatibility for added convenience and energy savings. Energy efficiency and cost of operation. Keeping your wallet warm. While electric fireplaces are generally more energy efficient than traditional fireplaces, it's still important to consider the operating costs and look for models with energy-saving features. Look for electric fireplaces with adjustable heat settings, built-in thermostats, and certifications from organizations like Energy Star. These features can help you control energy consumption and reduce long-term ownership costs. Safety first. Prioritizing peace of mind. Safety should always be a top priority when choosing an electric fireplace, especially if you have young children or pets in your home. Look for models with built-in safety features like overheat protection, automatic shut-off, cool-to-touch glass, and child safety locks. Reputable electric fireplace brands also subject their products to rigorous safety testing and certifications from organizations like UL, CSA, or ETL, ensuring that the fireplace has met strict safety standards and undergone thorough evaluation for potential hazards. Installation and maintenance. Keeping your fireplace in top shape. One of the biggest advantages of electric fireplaces is their ease of installation. Many models are designed for simple, plug-and-play installation, requiring no venting or gas lines. However, if you're unsure about your electrical skills or need to hardwire the unit, it's always best to consult a professional electrician. Regular maintenance is also essential for keeping your electric fireplace operating at its best. This typically involves dusting the exterior and interior surfaces, cleaning the glass panel, and inspecting the unit for any signs of wear or damage. Refer to your owner's manual for specific maintenance guidelines and reach out to the manufacturer's customer support team if you have any questions or concerns. Choosing the right brand. Quality and customer support matter. When shopping for an electric fireplace, it's important to choose a reputable brand with a track record of quality and customer satisfaction. Look for brands that offer comprehensive warranties, responsive customer support, and easy access to replacement parts or repairs if needed. Some of the top electric fireplace brands on the market in 2024 include MagikFlame, known for their ultra-realistic Holographic technology, and Dimplex, offering a wide range of styles and sizes with patented flame technology. Other notable brands include Classic Flame, Touchstone, Duraflame, each with their own unique features and benefits. The best electric fireplace insert in 2024. MagikFlame. After extensive research and analysis, we've determined that the best electric fireplace insert for 2024 is the MagikFlame electric fireplace insert. This state-of-the-art insert boasts an array of impressive features that set it apart from the competition. Key features of the MagikFlame electric fireplace insert include ultra-realistic Holoflame technology with 30 different flame options, powerful infrared heater for efficient and comfortable warmth, whisper quiet operation and easy installation, user-friendly touchscreen controls and smartphone app integration, automatic shut-off timer, and overheat protection for added safety, and exceptional customer support. What truly sets the MagikFlame electric fireplace insert apart is its groundbreaking holographic technology, which projects real video footage of actual fires onto a physical log set, resulting in ultra-realistic flames that are virtually indistinguishable from the real thing. The best electric fireplace for heat in 2024. Classic Flame. If you're looking for an electric fireplace that prioritizes heating performance, the Classic Flame infrared quartz electric fireplace is our top pick for 2024. The best wall-mount electric fireplace in 2024. Touchstone. For a sleek and modern look, the Touchstone Sideline Elite Smart Electric Fireplace is our top choice for the best wall-mount electric fireplace in 2024. The best freestanding electric fireplace in 2024. Duraflame. For those who prefer a more traditional look, the Duraflame 3D Infrared Electric Fireplace Stove is our top pick for the best freestanding electric fireplace in 2024. Choosing the best electric fireplace for your home in 2024 depends on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Whether you prioritize heating performance, realistic flame effects, or smart features, there is an electric fireplace on the market to suit your requirements. By considering factors like room size, installation options, and safety features, you can narrow down your choices and find the perfect electric fireplace to add warmth, ambience, and style to your home. Remember to choose a reputable brand with a track record of quality and customer satisfaction, and don't hesitate to reach out to customer support if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching our guide on the best electric fireplaces and inserts for heat in 2024. We hope this information has been helpful in your search for the perfect electric fireplace for your home. Stay warm and cozy. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more high-quality videos like this one.